Clifton, Niagara Falls. And he's making stuff. Here's the quote-unquote water park, and more like a pool. Oh, there's 2 elevators here. That braille looks like Northern.
Montgomery.
Ooh.
Here we go. Water.
Yep. It's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
Can I switch with you here? I'll take a second ride.
Yeah.
It's hot as hell in here.
Yeah, now it stinks as hell in here too.
Yeah, the whole atrium kind of smells. I think it's some weird funky chemicals they're using in the pool.
Yeah.
This place is 80s as hell. Time for a second ride. There's no door closed. Look at that old ceiling fan right there.
Yeah.
That thing has not ever been cleaned. Not in a while, at least.
It's got all new door equipment.
Look at that Montgomery panel. Does that indicator work?
We're stopping.
I don't think it does.
Well,
Kasi tayo.
Big ass.
Where are you going to swim there? Don't swim there. The chlorine is too strong.
You want to be
How?
trying to film?
Yeah, you're gonna
Ay, dito, okay lang dito. Malalim
you will
doon.
get an asthma. Too strong.
Hanggang leg niya doon sa ano.
Oh, that's not my limit. My limit's like 5 feet.
Wow,
I knew a guy who had asthma from the pool chlorine.
Stop bragging, man.
You're too ambitious, man.
I'm just jealous that you can't
Ay,
swim.
libis 5 feet.
I'm just curious what we're filming. He's talking to Josh.
How tall are you?
He
You're
was
only
staring at us earlier.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, I noticed that.
He's
You're
probably
like trees.
How deep is the pool in your school?
I'm a vlogger too.
Yeah.
Like 4 feet.
Here's your telephone. Jesus. I really gotta pull that thing. Anyway.
Get you on camera. Oh.
I'm not editing you out of any of this. And that's it.